Ngize nendaba allegedly webhuti yabona lo mbuzo obuzayo ngiyawuthanda futhi ngiyathanda ukuphendula ngathi ngawuphendula njalo yabona ngazi ngathi ngangibuza wona njalo kuze ngiphendula kuze kungene endlebeni zenu MK party but eko compromised MK party does not have any agreement with any oppressor. MK party was not there CODESA negotiations. MK party azange ivumela ukuthi kuqhutshekwe nokucindezelwa abantu abamnyama eSouth Africa. MK party akukho noyedwa umcindezelo ongeza la azothi nayi agenda yami engathembisana neMK ukuthi bazoyiphusha uma bengaba semandleni. So I know ukuthi there are things that have been said about Ubaba Nxamalala that you always think about, you guys. Yizo enzaziyo kuthiwe tshelwe ngama state capture, you are told about the Guptas and all these things that you cannot prove, things that they couldn't prove themselves. They were only thumb sucking whatever that they were saying. They can't prove a thing. But they told you regardless, because they know that you are weak. Where now you know things, Osbonile TV, ukuthi Ubaba Nxamalala nangu wenza ukuthi wazizwa even eParliament ekhuluma ukuthi Ubaba Nxamalala ufisa wenzeke ukuthi uzwele wena nezinye manje, you can still Google them and find them. Uzibona ukuthi Ubaba Nxamalala wakwathi, Ubaba Nxamalala usawathi akube nje, Ubaba Nxamalala usakwenza ukuthi. But all those things you block them. You've been conditioned ukuthi the only thing that you must think about when you think of Ubaba Zuma, corruption, amakuta, those are the only things. Lezi wena ozibonile nawe ngamehla akhe enyama live, wazibona wamuzwa ezisho, wambona ezenza, blocked. He is hated by the establishment, that man. Why? Uzuma is blocked. They can't come here and tell you ukuthi the reason why we always try to pull Zuma down is because he is the only person that is trying to take away umcebo wethu nalento ukuthi siyalutha la. He is the only person that is doing that. So that's why we don't want him. We try by all means ukuthi ama-media ethu, ama-media houses ethu am-brand kabi, so that you guys can hit him. They won't come here and say that. So we can't always tell you one thing. Nani again ivule ezinye ingqondo nike, even the people that he was working with at the time he was a president in South Africa. When you still had Eskom inganankinga kungana itori bezama ukuyidicelela phansi Eskom belwa, when you had so many things that were right in this country, even employment, hey man, everything, you just had ukuthi ama banks ebe lokhuza ebe manipulate irandi against the dollar. You've never said anything. Barely you will not say anything. Right now, you guys are struggling even worse than before. But you will never say anything. Because why? The media has not come here to say Cyril Ramaphosa is a bad president, he's done this, he's done. No. You will wait until such time. Because you are conditioned that if no one says something about this person, or if they praise this person, you will not look beyond that. You don't even understand why the media and all these white establishments will come and then bancome umuntu. You don't even bother to want to know why will they do that. Why will they hate someone else? Bamhambisa amakhoti abantu okungathi bahambisana nalowo muntu, baphuca imisebenzi kuthiwa abezuthola ngisho ama pension abo, bashoniswe bashoni. You don't even ask yourself why is it like that. Njengoba ngikutshela ke bhodi, MK party is the only party that is not compromised, that will truly liberate you, as long as you guys want that. Hayi ukuthi phela sikhuluma ngento phela kungenze ukuthi ni happy nina yithi sodwa isikhathazekile, nina ngenze ukuthi ni happy, but thina ku-MK Party we understand ukuthi MK Party ingasikwazi ukuthi isize ngalezi zinto esisifisayo. Kwakushintshwa nje kwe-constitution, nazi ingane ziyasifela njengoba zisifela ingane. Abantu abasemagunyeni njengamanje abakwazi ukuthi basisize ngoba bayazi ukuthi i-constitution ivumelana nalabo abantu more than ivumelana nathi as South Africans. Those people have got power, more power than us as South Africans, because this country belongs to everyone okhona la South Africa njengamanje. You can do as you please nawe la ukhona, but we South Africans, when we do as we please, siyaboshwa. A lot will happen to you as a South African, but nothing will happen to a foreigner. Foreigner can come into this country and do whatever that they want to do. Nothing will happen to them. So that's what MK wants to change, because even if you can try and fight this thing, Mali constitution corner, we won't win. We won't win. So I wish ngabe kuthiwa beninemali, because ube beninemali benizoqaqeka, but inkinga aninamali. So that's why it's so difficult for you to understand ukuthi what is happening here. You don't even think ukuthi nani you can one day be able to afford everything, to have imali, to have imali. Like, you think nje impilo yenu iphelele nje la nikhona, because you've been conditioned like that. Izinto eziningi zivaliwe, you can't access them, but you don't know ukuthi zivaliwe. Yo, Nkosi yami.